This question from Nur Muhammad from Kazakhstan. He writes that I found, yes, he says that I found that the numbering of the verses of the Holy Quran is different in Ahmadi publication from the other publications. I thought it is only a matter of the first verse, Bismillah, but sometimes this difference was by two verses, not only just one. I came to the conclusion that constitution of the verses is different. Could Huzur kindly shed light of this matter, please?
First I should understand, then shed light.
All right.
As far as the number of verses are concerned, that's very clear. But whatever worship, why does he say worship? Huh?
No, I came.
Verses?
Yes, I came to the conclusion that the constitution of the verses is different. Constitution of the construction of the verses.
It means that some numbering are different, not in one ayah. The difference is not in
Sometimes
one number.
two.
Sometimes two. He's saying that.
No, this will not happen. If it has happened, it must have happened by mistake. And unless he points out where, we cannot determine. This mistake might have crept into the Russian translation. So he must help us by pointing out where he finds this difference. Then in the next version, inshallah, we rectify it. Right? You better, he may be hearing it or maybe not. He is in touch with you, isn't he? So you better write back to him about this. Right?
Okay.